Hello friends, today by starting the day 8 challenge, this is about map and dictionaries. So any language will have either map or dictionary. The basic working are it stores a key and a key value pair, my name and my age, or somebody like a ID and their name. So we can use this map to append these two things together. So when we see this task, so the task has been given like this. We given n names and phone. So we have to make them into map, and we have to query. We have to respond to the query by this format: name equal to phone number. If you don't find, you have to print not found. So in input format, like a first line will denoting n. N means like a number of entries in the dictionary or in a map. Okay. So after n, there will be a subsequent of n number of lines denoting the number of denoting entries. After the entries, we have queries basically name of the person. So if the name found, we have to print the phone number, else we have to print the not found. So you can see here sample input and output. So similar way, we can start the coding as well. So let's start coding. So in this editor, they have not given any helper code. So we have to write from the scratch. Okay, let's start. Okay, so we have to read first line as a number of entries. So I'll use scanf. So I need import also. So and we saw in so many previous years we use a 5.0 for scanner and OS to get the HDN. Okay. So I'll create a scanner variable which has a 5.0 dot new scanner. So we pass the HDN as well. And then okay, so here I will take a n value and I will ignore the error, and before that I should have a dot scan function. Okay, here I have to convert this into integer, right? That's why I need to import strconv. Same thing I will use here. So a to I. So here scan dot text. Okay. So now I got that the number of things, number of entries in a dictionary into n value. Okay, so now I will go and initialize the loop to add them into dictionary. So before that, I will create one dictionary here. I can name. Sorry, not we in Golang we call them map or not a dictionary. So I will name it as a data. Okay, I will use make function. Okay. So I created a map, map of like a key is a string and the value was a string. Okay. So here I create a loop. So I equal to 0, I less than n, and 5 plus. Okay. So here I read from the scanner input data line by line. So I'll use this scan function to scan the value. So in this one, I have to map the scanned in the text to the dictionary. So basically, data equal to data of. I think yeah, we have to do like this key value. So I can make so I'll use string.split function. So in this split function, you have to pass scanner.text as a first argument, and the second argument as a splitting string as a second argument. Okay, and from that we need only key here. Just not here. Okay, so here function this is working here. Okay. Okay. So here I should set only key value only. So I'm just putting the index 0. Same thing I will use for value also, but index 1. Okay. Let's see what is receiving. Okay, I have not put the import. I will add the import also. String. Okay, the error should go now. Yeah. So this code, right? Basically, it maps the data. It reads the input string and puts it into map data. So now we convert the data into map. And next step is we have to support the queries. Right. So I will take the for loop and I'll run this until we reach data. Scan. So in this one, so first of all we have to scan. We are scanning every time. That's okay. And so the text whatever is there, we have to find that into dictionary. So I will put if condition here. definition. Data of scanner.text. If this contains data equals to empty. If that is containing empty data, means there is no data available, then we can print not found. Else I can print so I will use printf function. So percentage yes for string, percentage yes for string, I'll put equal here, comma, so I'll put input header here, then value will be data of standard text. So this should the print the value. So let's see while running the code. So I'm running the code. Hopefully, okay, what error? Okay. Okay, so after printing the output, this is the print. That's why there's a new line. After input, so here we are using printf, so it will not print in a new line. It will continue on the existing line. So I'm adding the new line here. Let's run the code. Yeah, this is successful now. Let's submit the code. Yes, this is also